And nag-apologize sila sa akin.
They apologize for what?
Sabi nila, sorry talaga, sorry ninyo, ganun. Kasi akala namin okay lang.
Yeah, they were sorry for what? What did they
For
do?
what they did.
What did they do? Did they admit it to you that they did something untoward?
When they said sorry, syempre naintindihan ko kung ano yung kwento ng anak ko.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun, di ba? And then they said, akala daw nila okay lang. But clearly,
Akala nila consensual.
yes, yan. But clearly, kung okay lang, di wala kami rito sana ngayon. Diba? At saka hindi sana nag-iiyak yung anak ko.
At maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, ako, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya.
Sir Ninyo Mulak, may tanong lang po kami. Noong kayo po ay nakapagdesisyon na magpunta sa NBI at magsagawa ng reklamo, paano nyo po isinagawa ito? Meron din po ba kayong kasamang abogado na nung kayo po ay nagpunta na sa NBI?
Nung una nga, kasi nga, ako talaga nung sinabi sa akin ng anak ko, hindi ako makapaniwala na nangyari. Kasi tulad nga sabi ko, sobrang taas ng respeto ko kay Jojo.
Sir Ninyo, wag lang po nyo kumprontahin sa chairman lang po.
Sinasabi ko lang na hindi ako makapaniwala doon sa nangyari kasi nga, katrabaho ko, nire-respeto ko. So yun, talagang I was, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin talaga noong una. So ang naisip namin gawin was go to Senator Bong Revilla. At si Senator Bong naman yung nagsabi na if we want to go to the NBI, we can go to the NBI. Pero dahil nga, syempre, ako bilang magulang, gusto kong protektahan muna sana yung anak ko. Ayoko sana may makaalam. So we went through the channel. We went to Miss Annette Gozon. We were trying to fix it internally. Pero I didn't know how to do it internally pero magsasapa pa rin kami ng kaso. Di po ba?
Mr. Chair,
Yun nga po.
if I may interrupt.
Sige po,
Nalaman ng media yung nangyari.
Po?
Paano nalaman ng media?
Ay, hindi ko po alam siya.
Sino nagkalat?
Hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko po talaga alam.
When did
Bigla na lang po pumuntok eh.
first knew about it na kumalat na sa media? Saan mo nabalitaan? Sa social media? Sa radyo ba?
Sana kumalat na po.
Yeah.
Sa social media po. Unang lumabas kay OG Diaz.
Sige, continue.
Yan po. I'll continue. I didn't know how to do it na ayusin namin internally pero still magsasapa pa rin ako ng kaso kasi I knew na once na mag-file kami ng kaso, talagang puputok na sa media. Hindi maiwasang hindi puputok sa media, di ba?
Teka, paano nalaman ni OG Diaz?
Ay, hindi ko po alam.
Did you talk to him?
No po.
You haven't talked to him kasi
I talked to him since
sa social media mukhang detalyado yung mga...
Ay, pero hindi po sa amin galing talaga eh. But there were...
Nakausap niya yung anak mo.
We have other witnesses kasi I don't know kung paano nag-leak talaga. Ayun po. And then, so it took 10 days bago namin na-file kasi nga po, nagkita kami ni Annette Gozon at yun nga, hinarap niya sa akin yung dalawa dun sa bahay ni Miss Annette Gozon. And nag-apologize sila sa akin.
They apologize for what?
Saktong pagkasabi nila, sorry talaga niya. Umiiyak sila.
Assuming
ito po, Sen, talaga,
apologize. Let's just go straight to the point.
Talaga, sinasabi ko po ito.
What did they apologize for?
Ang
Did
exactly
they
words
do
nila,
something
they were
untoward?
crying and they apologize. Ang sabi nila, sorry talaga, sorry ninyo, ganun. Kasi akala namin okay lang.
What do you mean? Yeah, they were sorry for what? What did they do?
For what they did.
What did they do? Did they admit it to you that they did something untoward?
When they said sorry, syempre naintindihan ko kung ano yung kwento ng anak ko.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun, di ba? And then they said, akala daw nila okay lang. But clearly,
Akala nila consensual.
yes, yan. But clearly, kung okay lang, di wala kami rito sana ngayon. Diba? At saka hindi sana nag-iiyak yung anak ko. Yun po.
Sige.
And Miss Annette Gozon was our witness during that meeting. Yun po.
Let's go straight to the point. Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz, are you represented by any lawyer? You can give legal advice if you wish. All right? Thank you. Diba may bigote ka dati sa Facebook? May bigote ka, Jojo. Sino ba si Jojo dyan? Nag-ahit ka na? Ang bigote mo?
Your Honor, minsan may ahit, minsan po may shadow beard.
Right. Mr. Chair, I would like to request the COMSEC to administer the oath.
Okay, Comsec, mag-administer tayo ng ano. Okay, pwede po kayong tumayo. Sir Richard and Sir Jojo, tatayo lang po.
Yeah. Can you kindly raise your right hands? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this committee hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Senator, nakapag-administer na po sila po.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Okay, ano trabaho nyo ngayon?
Ngayon po wala po dahil naka-preventive suspension po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, bukod sa GMA7, meron pa ba kayong ibang pinagtatrabuhan?
Sa ngayon po
Before, no, hindi pa kayo ni-issue ng preventive suspension.
Nung,
lang po.
Sinasabi ng GMA, independent contractors kayo.
yeah,
Correct. Hindi kayo sinasweldoan ng monthly.
hindi po.
Hanggat may kontrata, may sweldo. Ibig sabihin per project.
Yes.
So pag meron kayong isang teleserye na 6 na buwan tatagal, 6 na buwan lang sweldo niya. Am I correct?
Pag sa director po.
As a
Pag-director, ganun.
director ka ba ano? Sino bang director?
Sa ngayon po nagdidirect po ako.
Ikaw.
Opo.
Ikaw,
Honor.
Richard.
Consultant, scriptwriter, creative consultant.
Scriptwriter ka.
Hmm.
Ikaw, Jojo, ang director.
Opo.
So ano yung mga dinidirect mo ng mga projects sa GMA?
Meron po akong, bago po ang lahat nangyari to, meron po ako, bagong director lang po ako na pinag-direct ng network. Dati po, consultant din po ako, drama consultant. Tapos nalipat po ako sa posisyon na director. So,
So-
nagdidirect po ako ng teleserye na panghapon.
Gaano na kayo katagal nagtatrabaho sa GMA?
Ako po, 24 years po.
Doon sa 24 years na yun, hindi kayo nagtrabaho sa halimbawa sa ABS-CBN, sa TV5.
Nag-ABS-CBN po ako from 1996 to 2000. Then 2000 to 2024 po sa GMA.
Nag-stick ka na sa GMA?
Yes po.
What about you, Direk?
Nakapag-work din po ako sa ABS mga early 2000s, tapos nag-ABC5 po ako, tapos TV5, tapos nakapag-MZ din po.
Okay, during the night of the alleged incident, ano ginagawa niyo sa event ng GMA?
Nag-attend po kami ng GMA gala, Your Honor.
That was GMA sponsored.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kayo ba ay naimbitahan dito?
Yes po, Your Honor. Meron po kaming formal invitation.
Anong oras natapos yung event?
Around midnight po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Around or close to midnight po, Your Honor.
Close to midnight.
Opo.
Nung mga nakalipas na event ng GMA, kayo rin ba ay naimbitahan?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nag-book din ba kayo ng hotel room?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Usually po pag GMA gala, Your Honor, fully booked po yung mga hotels doon sa area. Mahirap
Okay,
po
nung gabing yun, saan kayo nakabook? Saan ba ginawa yung gala? Oh,
sa Marriott Hotel po,
Marriott.
Your
Where
Honor.
were you billeted?
In Belmont Hotel po, Your Honor.
So,
magkalapit.
magkalapit.
Po. Yes po,
Pwede
Your Honor.
kayong lumakad.
Opo, Your Honor.
So, nag-book kayo ng hotel dun sa, ano yan?
Sa Belmont po,
Belmont.
Your Honor. Opo.
Yung, saan yung event?
Sa Marriott po, Your
Marriott.
Honor.
Sino nagbayad dun sa Belmont?
Ako po.
Hindi sponsored ng GMA.
Hindi po.
Di ba lahat ng mga artista, lahat ng mga konektado sa GMA, di ba ni-sponsoran ng
Hindi po,
automatic
hindi
na yun na sagot ng GMA 7?
Opo.
So kayo,
Yeah. Lahat po ng consultants, yung mga creative, nag-book kami sa Belmont.
okay, diretsuin ko na kayo ha. Bakit hindi kayo sumipot last hearing? Okay, basta dito sa Senado, pantay-pantay lang ang tingin namin. Okay, we are gender sensitive here. Okay?
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Pag membro ng LGBT, okay lang yan. Choice yan. Basta kami pantay-pantay lang tingin namin sa inyo lahat. Alright?
Salamat po, Your Honor.
Okay, sa opening statements ninyo, you deny all allegations that has been brought against you.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Both of you. Would you know kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganitong kabigat na reklamo sa inyo? Bakit nagre-reklamo Sandro na yung tatay ni Sandro, bakit nagre-reklamo ng gano'n?
Hindi po talaga namin alam, Your Honor.
At kanina sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni Attorney Annette Gozon, ang Vice President ng GMA7, na nag-apologize kayo. What did you apologize for?
Your Honor, ang sabi po namin kay ninyo, we're very, very sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what? What did you apologize?
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
No, why? Kung wala kayong ginawa,
was
sandali
clear.
lang. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
Ang context po kasi yung parang, sorry pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi, medyo nagugulan ako, medyo may pagka-weirdo.
So, yun po yung buong sentence namin.
Sorry, Robin, ha? Ganito lang, sorry, Robin. Ba't ako magsasorry sa'yo? Anong ginawa ko, di ba?
Kasi buong sentence po siya, hindi lang po siya sorry. So, sorry po, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi nyo, pwede bang, kung meron kayo dadagdag doon sa sinabi, why did he apologize? For what?
No.
Senator Jinggoy, ito po sinasabi ko, ay talagang umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila. They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice para lang masettle yung
Is it true?
Sagot ko sa kanila, ako, tao lang ako, Diyos nga marunong magpatawad, kaya ko kayong patawarin, pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo.
Is it true that you were offering something sa charitable institution? Is it true?
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
Huh?
No po, Your Honor.
Oh, they are denying it, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, Ms. Annette Gozon was present during the incident.
Okay, I had an investigation of my own. I will ask both of you. Okay, the gala was held at Marriott Hotel, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, Jojo Nones and Richard Dode, are billeted at Belmont, which is a walking distance from Marriott Hotel, correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Jojo texted Sandro if he can come over to the room.
I did not text that po, Your Honor.
Did you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat, nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages Do you have a copy of the text messages? You're sure?
Yes
Pag
po, Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan, sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not?
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I
you
am
can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro. Yes.
Siya po yung mismo nagsabi na, andyan pa ba kayo, sir?
Wait lang. Yeah. We'll go to that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Allegedly, you texted Sandro if you can come over to the room, which you deny. Apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied, ha? Ako, base sa investigation ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung just me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then
Just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes,
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
Creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct.
Yes po, Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na kasi I didn't want him to think po
Okay.
that anything about
Okay.
the just me text.
After which, Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman kinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself. Siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong dyan
Kaya
sir?
nga.
Haha.
Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga Huwag ka na mag-deny, inibitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
Hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke, I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But these are
Hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
facts of the case po, Your Honor. These are already facts
So?
of the case po, Your Honor.
I'm just asking you if it's true or false. Wala pa naman tayo sa
There was no
Hindi pa
direct
naman sensitive
invitation.
yung,
There was no direct invitation from me, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was just being polite and kind because he is my friend. But there was no direct invitation po. In fact po, bago po siya na sinabi na aakyat siya, I said we're wrapping up.
Totoo ba? Do you have a copy of the text messages of Mr. Nones?
We have po, Your Honor.
If I may answer,
Yes.
Your Honor, Attorney Sharina Quintanilla Raz for Sandro. We do have proof of that, but we cannot show that at the moment because it is with the NBI. And as this explained earlier, the NBI is safeguarding the confidentiality of the pieces of evidence.
Do you
in
have
this
any
case.
representative from the NBI here? Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Zuleika Marie Esconales, the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Do you have the copy of the text messages, the conversation?
The complainant already submitted pieces of evidence to support his complaint, Your
So-
Honor.
You cannot share it with the committee?
With all due respect, Your Honor, for purposes of confidentiality, because of pending investigation, we are
Alright.
keeping the same,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Of course. I
Thank
will
you, Your
respect that. Okay, at that time, nung umakyat na rin si Sandro, kasi when you invited him, Sandro was in his room together with his girlfriend. And apparently, Sandro informed his girlfriend that he was going to the room of Jojo and company. Upon entering the room, Sandro was surprised since it was only Jojo and Richard who were there in the room. Correct?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung na-surprise si Sandro din.
No, umakyat si Sandro sa kwarto ninyo. He was surprised upon seeing only both of you.
Well, he wasn't surprised po, Your Honor. Wala po kami
Kasi ang sinabi mo dun sa text messages, I am with people from the creatives group.
No po, sir. My exact message was just, we're wrapping up na GMA Drama Peeps referring to me and Dode, but we're wrapping up na.
Okay,
So,
that's your word.
Yes.
Malalaman naman natin sa investigation sa NBI yan. Did you offer Sandro a glass of wine?
no, Your Honor. When he arrived, he asked if we could drink the wine that was there on the ledge.
Did you give a 500 peso bill which was wrapped like a straw?
No, Your Honor.
Hmm?
No, Your Honor.
And apparently you poured a powder substance.
No, Your
Powdery
Honor.
substance.
No, Your Honor. Your Honor, these are already very details that need to be discussed in an
Your Honor,
executive
if I may,
session.
Your Honor. I think, Your Honor, these matters are part of the allegations of the complainant, Your Honor, which are now under validation of the NBI, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, we were also advised by the NBI with regard to that the own allegations of Mr. Sandro Mulak, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, are still under validation, even this allegation of the 500 peso bill and the alleged substance, Your Honor. So, I don't know if the NBI would allow us to answer that questions, considering that the NBI also asked us not to disclose anything, even our counter allegations with respect to these matters, Your Honor.
You were requesting for an executive session. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Based on the discussions earlier during the executive session, and of course we cannot divulge first yet the details of what transpired during the executive session. But what we all understand right now, and we agreed together with Senators Revilla, Padilla, Grace Poe, and Senator Bato de la Rosa, there is a strong evidence against these two gentlemen, all the parties concerned. Yes, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, I just want to, kasi napag-usapan na po namin na kanina kasi nakita ko yung when they swore na they would tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Para ako na-insulto na we're willing to na ilabas na ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi talagang pinapalabas nila sa media, si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon lalabas na namin, willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
Hindi, from my evidence, hindi
If Attorney Laika ba?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Mapayag na si Mr. Mulak in behalf of his son to divulge all your pieces of evidence on hand.
No, not all send. Hanggang dun sa text lang. Kasi
Yes, sa
I
text.
just want to
Okay.
prove them wrong na hindi si Sandro yung una nag-text. Nagsisinungaling sila. So I think they should, di ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, if I may, the National Bureau of Investigation would maintain the confidentiality of all the pieces of evidence we have. However, Your Honor, we could not prevent the complainant or the subjects, on the other hand, to show it to the public if they may decide so, Your Honor.
So are you willing to divulge the text messages?
Insofar as we are concerned, Your Honor, we are bound by the Department Circular Number 48, Series of 1993.
But this is in aid of legislation. This it won't bar anything. In aid of legislation overrides sensitive matters in any case in another forum.
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. You can proceed if you want to.
Your Honor, please. I just want to manifest, Your Honor, that during the executive session, Your Honor, there was no, Mr. Chair, it was not denied that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. It was not being denied. What was being denied, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. I think that was clear during the executive
Okay,
session.
let's just listen first to the
Please.
revelation of the statements of Mr.
We
Mola.
submit to that, Mr. Chair, Your
Have you, did the COMSEC administer the oath? Mr. Mulak, you administered the oath.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth to this committee?
Yes po.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
All right, make it brief, Mr. Mulak, because we still have a session.
I'm doing this just to kasi nainsulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text at 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That
Jojo.
is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
Ay, 20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan?
Jojo.
Jojo.
Hindi, yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po, hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo
Is-
lang. Sandro.
Is every
Para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro lang. Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo. Po?
What time?
Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige, okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo, nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha, sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo, yes soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro, minsan kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So ito yung sagot naman ni nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom kesa ron sa yes soon ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now, sabi ni Jojo. Wow sir, looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo, gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room, we can order some more. Saan po kayo sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel, katabi lang ng Marriott. So sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo sir? Ha 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi na sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha. Sumagot kasi si Jojo after a while kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha. Just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero sabi ko, mali pa rin yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, Sandro is of age already. 23 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4
37.
in the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox, sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po. Akit po ako. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. Sila, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no, wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Okay.
Yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you were making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi-
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
Ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang, I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced and he went to the room of that's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.
We submit, Your Honor, with respect to all the messages, Your Honor. It's just that we have to include, Your Honor, also the whole message, Your Honor, stating that after he messaged, kasama ko the drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit, Your Honor.
Yeah, at sinabi naman ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
We just want to manifest that, Your Honor, and to put that on record.
It is up to the courts to appreciate
We submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
your pieces of evidence. We are not a court here. We are here to investigate in aid of legislation.
Yes, Your Honor. We submit, Your Honor.
What else do you want to say?
Then, Your Honor, since, Your Honor, there's already an investigation being conducted by the...
This is a different investigation. I don't care about the investigation of NBI or DOJ. This is another investigation in aid of legislation. We can conduct an investigation anytime we want in aid of legislation.
We submit to that, Your Honor, but with respect to the text messages, we have no further...
We want to because here we want to ferret out the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
No further manifestation, Your Honor, with regard to the text message. Let be on record, Your Honor, what we have mentioned, Your Honor, as our counter-allegation to that, Your Honor. That is only...
But your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
Because
of self-incrimination.
according to Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think
Ano yan? Silence means yes?
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What was
open...
their answer?
During the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during...
So they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
Yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved? Or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter-allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong niya po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi-
laging, yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
Hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty, because we maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. That correct? The next day, the guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya, no? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair, and si Nino pa, you know Nino, diba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan, we want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, syempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito. So, leave it to the committee kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na may personal dito. Yung sa atin lang, in aid of legislation para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya.